Good morning, YouTube. Welcome in, everyone. See if we can't find some nice setups today. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Getting logged into my TradeAvay right now.
People. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
What's up? Good morning. Appreciate you all for being here. Let's get it. I'm going to say this. If you want to try this indicator you see on the screen, Trading Assistant, go to grizzlytrades.com. Simple trading strategies. Try the 7-day free trial. You don't like it? No harm done.
Is possible. What do you guys have on watch for the morning?
What? I was watching a bounce down here. This 450 area, 450 area.
I mean, daily level here, 476. Just looking the price action first.
Nice.
We're at this daily level right now. 23476.
Good morning, YouTube.
Right,
Welcome in.
I'm waiting.
Welcome, welcome. Tried a massive protein shake this morning. So good though.
Hey, let's find ourselves a nice winning trade today.
Chocolate peanut butter, banana.
Please. NQL. Okay. Gonna wait the first 15 minutes. Stay patient, trade smart, trade safe, and then if we can just get 1, 20, 30 pointers today, I will be so thankful. So chill.
We have a ton of data this week.
We have big earnings week, yeah?
Earnings, we got GDP, FOMC, all that good stuff.
What do we got cooking for? We have FOMC this week too, huh?
Yep.
Let's see this. Check. Trump on Fed Chair Powell. He's leaving very soon. I'll miss him. Oh, that's funny. What are the biggest earnings this week?
We have Meta, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon.
Oh, yeah.
Trading assistant settings. I like the beginner dashboard, everyone. If you're trying this out, switch this to beginner. I'm probably going to remove the professional to beginner, and make sure you read the guide on this inside the community there. It walks you through exactly how to use it.
Let's see what they give us.
Yeah, Ryan, use code. Oh, Midman's got it. Appreciate it. Oh, my traps are sore. Oh, it bounced just like 10 points early, everyone. What a shame. I'm gonna leave a trading assistant indicator on for y'all to as long as we're on here. If it confirms, I'm gonna try some with it. I got Grizzology up in front of me, so I'll let you know if it confirms as well. I would show both, but it kind of clutters the chart. So we got both working for us today, YouTube. Gonna try my best to provide the best free value out there. That's my goal.
What do you guys think about the Team Bowl office setup? Who's in Colorado or wants to come to Colorado? And
Yeah, if you all have any questions, need the link. Medman's got you for the indicator on the screen. Appreciate that, Alex. Hello. Welcome in, everyone. If you have any questions, YouTube, drop them in the chat. We're waiting on a setup. I know it's hard to see the top of your chart, your dashboard here, but I have to put these charts close together to stream. If you have it on your chart, you can see it much better. Appreciate you using it, Ryan. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer. You say something, J-Dub?
was saying, and you know what I'm excited for? College football.
Oh yeah. I am pumped. I just can't find. I was gonna try to go to some games in person this year, but it's nearly impossible to get good seats, season tickets. You think so? Looking for a bounce in that gap, Honda.
Oh, I mean, Nebraska guaranteed top 15. It's coming.
I'm not for sure how the Vols will be this year.
Love it or hate it, there's a few things that are happening this year, Grizzly. The rest of the team. So Nebraska will be top 15. We're going to keep catching bangers. We're going to choose discipline over dopamine, and the Broncos will be a top 3 seed, top 4 seed in the playoffs. You're just going to have to deal with Jay Dunn's teams winning. Wins left and right. I don't make the rules again.
You have to find me someone to follow in NFL. I haven't had a team since Peyton retired. I watched the Titans some, but
Yeah. You see, I got these lines drawn on my chart. I was watching the opening of Asia for the 15-minute orb. I just wanted to see how it works. I've never really actually back tested any orb besides New York Open. Has anyone in chat?
it's funny you mentioned security. When I do events with people, I roll with security, but no one ever really says anything. Because I do carry and I'm pretty large. I don't know if you all ever
Of course,
met
Big
me.
Joe has. Orb Master. I just don't think we're ever going to have a red day again. At this point, we just keep getting positive news.
Six one.
Just keep getting more and more positive news. I could use a nice downtrend day. Got ES on watch. Open the Tesla. Let's see, Tessie baby. It's not. Maybe a 310 bounce.
Happy birthday, Ducky.
Happy birthday, bro. Now we definitely got to get you a banger.
That was fun, wasn't it, man? I want to do that again now that my shoulder's not ripped or whatever it was, tricep.
So the London orb hits, huh? Unfortunately, I will be sleeping.
Good morning.
I prefer my screen, or my sleep over the screen. Big time sleeper. Big time.
It's an interesting price action to start the morning. We don't have much news and events today, or nothing that I see. So, hopefully we don't range here.
Yeah, next next level I have is 537 there.
All right.
537.
Our range is set.
You know what, man, I'll never forget when we was on that rooftop. That was it was a weird but fun experience. Yeah, it was odd. There's like a whole group of people on a girls' trip, and they decided like to hang out with us. It was so weird. The mom was sitting with us. Then the daughter was like, "You look just like my boyfriend." And we just like listening to music, trying to chill. It was crazy. Nashville is a wild place. What year was that, man? It's been a minute, hasn't it? Why does it keep kicking my speaker off, Timbo? If anybody's talking to me, it kicked me off the audio again. I don't know why it does it on Zoom.
I wasn't.
It's like keep switching it to my other audio settings that can't hear you through for some reason.
Mine kind of messes up sometimes too. Yes, not a whole lot. ES is lagging a bit behind NQ.
That's
You're
awesome,
not
Michael.
much. We'll keep Mr. and Mrs. ES on our radar. See what she'll give us. I'm in no rush.
Thank you, shorts.
Greg trying the shorts.
Yep.
Greg entered NQ shorts.
99.
Not a trade I'm taking, but if you want to trade with Greg, you have it.
Said hello since you like that.
Well, I really don't like talking to people in public too much. So you know how that went. It was a good trip. We need to do that again, man. Just a low-key trip. All right, YouTube. Any questions you have, let me know. Greg is in shorts. I'm not taking that trade. I'll let you know if I enter, what I enter, where I stop out, all that good stuff. And I appreciate all the support. Any way I can help you possible, I will.
My stop loss is 519.
Nothing for me yet. Staying ultra super patient.
Focal, I will when I get my start my funded account trading again.
No setups for me yet. Market highs, breakouts.
Oh yeah. Oh, so try hard, especially in
I
like
guess I should
cities.
draw that too, huh? Give me something, baby. We do have a lot of news this week, so my thought process is that if there isn't a massive setup today, we will get something along the lines this week of volatility. We should get something decent this week.
Starting to like longs, honestly.
Should get something as earnings and data come out. And it's sometimes like this on heavy data weeks. You just have to stay very patient.
I don't go out often, man. I usually order mine. Unless I gotta get some good steak, I have to pick that out myself. Real quick, YouTube, hit the thumbs up at the top. Let's get that up a little bit while we're waiting on setup. We should have a killer trading week. The setups, even on individuals, look good. So.
Aggressive volume 320, 319. Tesla's finding some strength again too. I'll keep this on watch as well.
That's good. I got assigned 3,000 shares of TSLL last week.
Did you?
Yeah, I'm gonna sell some covered calls.
Let it rip.
Nice top out.
On 33 racks. TSLL.
Which I made 2,000 from the premiums I sold last week, and I just sold 30 covered calls and collected 1,100, and I should be able to sell it for what I got assigned for. What is that? $12.
Let's see how this candle closes. If it closes strong, I don't love the volume on it, but I'm willing to look for a longs entry around that 500. 493, 500. This does not look great as far as the traditional orb setup. Let's see, 506. Less volume, more than half of it's to the upside for a wick down. I don't love this setup for our traditional orb look.
I'm looking for some trades for us, YouTube. I'm trying my best. Look at the divergence between ES and NQ.
I'm gonna try a higher risk piece of shorts down here at 5. Let me see 505. We're
What
at
a
507 now.
crazy divergence on ES and NQ.
Hold on, I haven't entered. My fingers on the mouse, but I haven't pressed enter yet. I haven't pressed buy. A little lower. I haven't pressed buy yet, guys. I tested a piece there. I filled at 507, so it's 1-to-1. I like to see high a day, but
Did you go short or long? I thought you said short.
long. Sorry, long. I don't know why if I said that. I meant long. Longs. Small piece. I don't love this orb. We have this aggressive wick to the upside, but if we can get high a day, it'll be a 1R trade. If we get on to 93, I'll stop out.
I tried to light size with them. Nothing crazy.
Longs. Hard stop at 93 or 92.25. It's not my favorite setup. Just be aware. And it's a Monday.
Dude, I tried some of that with you and got the worst feel. Like it wasn't even close to that price.
Come on. I'd just like to see us get high a day out of this. I'd like to see us get high a day out of this. Come on. I'm taking off a few micros here at 16, just to be safe. Mondays are not my day. Typically, I'd say I'll hold for a solid 25, 30 point move, but Mondays are just not my day. So I like to see my price target at 21 hit. I'll take off a majority there. Just 1-to-1. Just 1-to-1 for a scalp. I'm also going to move my stops to 500. There we go. Come on, give us 21. Come on.
Come on, break it. Stop playing with it.
Come on. All right, guys. Took a majority of my position on
Trim, everyone.
Letting the last few run.
Trim. Move
Nice
your
job.
stop to
1-to-1
entry.
So far. That's all I wanted out of this trade was 1-to-1. That's all I wanted. I'm going to move my stops. Actually, no, I'm going to keep them at 500 for now. If we start seeing some bearish price action, I'll just manually stop. My worst case scenario stop now is at 500. Let's see if we can keep this running. The last few.
Is anybody in these
Come on.
longs?
We got 1-to-1 out of that. That's all I wanted. Was 1-to-1. That's all I wanted in the longs was 1-to-1. We only had 14 points of risk there, so.
YouTube, anybody in the these longs
So
with us?
far, so good, fellas. Make sure you guys have trimmed and keep your stops near or at break even. I'm okay with them being a little below break even at 500.
Yeah, I took some with them. I said I was in light size with them. I like the
Whoa.
setup. We closed above that
Way to
orb.
start a Monday.
Volume looked good with us. Volume was agreeing with us there.
We went up almost at our high, almost 20 points.
Nice print.
Yeah, not bad. It's not crazy, but we'll take it. Almost no drawdown either. A point, maybe.
Such a divergence. Why do I keep hearing outside?
Let's go. Gap dozen. Come on. Like to make some money. Are any of y'all riding this with me? Team Bowl? Any of you guys riding this with me? In any sort of fashion? Or is it just me? Am I talking to myself? Hopefully we can get more, but I'm not expecting it on a Monday, on a No News Monday. I'd like to see more, but I'm not expecting it. That's why I took a majority off at 1-1, which was my plan. My plan was to sell most at 1-1, and I did. So now if we get more, 1.5, 2, it won't be a lot, but actually I'm gonna put, yeah, no, actually, no, I stand where I'm at. I'm gonna keep my stops just a bit in the red on the remaining runners. 500, 499.75. 499.75, baby. But then said long, probably, I don't even know how many times I said I'm long.
Any
Long,
questions,
long,
YouTube?
Long. Hi, hold the Dario. Long.
Lost it. Any questions, YouTube? I'm out of the trade, by the way. Just a heads up. Put me at 847 with that trade from yesterday. So I've made 400 something yesterday and 400 today. Not for sure, Eddie. This ES is interesting. Looks like it's found this bottom. Let's see. I'm looking at ES in front of me. Them ES longs are playing out for you, huh? Who was that in ES longs? Travis, yeah. Nice. Love seeing you all make money, even if it's not my trade.
I'm still in the longs, guys. Thanks, Biggs. I appreciate you, bro. Happy we can get a dub together. You take some of that, Grizzly?
Yeah, I took an entry with you. I like the setup. I made like 400, I believe. Made 400, so I'm up $847 so far this week, counting the trade I took at open yesterday.
I'm actually gonna mob out of here a little early today, folks. We're still in two, baby. We're still in two. Yeah, for Apex, these are the best trades. Honestly, for a lot of prop firms, just consistent base hits and semi scalps. Not complete scalps, but semi scalps. Whoa, whoa. You don't even know this. Way back from the north in Christianity. I'm gonna get off here soon, Team Bull. It's Gmaw's last morning here, so we're gonna go hang with family. Made us some mullahs. I'm happy with how this morning went. Typically, we'll trade much longer, as you guys know. I did almost say plot firms. Can't talk. Prop firms. You ain't even know this.
Any questions, YouTube?
I'm about to mob out, Grizzly, so I'm gonna make you the host.
All right.
Made our money early this morning. Typically, I'm around much longer, but not today. I'm gonna go execute my right of freedom, being a day trader, making my money in less than an hour, moving forward. Pretty dope, if you ask me. So, all right, Team Bull, I'm gonna mob out of here. All right. Trade smart, trade safe, and we'll we can catch a small winner.
No, I'm out of the trade, Bill. I said I was out when I got out.
Bye, Grizzly.
Peace. Appreciate it, Eddie. I'll see you tomorrow as well. I'll be live again. All right, Team Bull, what are we looking for here? What's everyone like? I want to see what you all are watching. Market open, Eddie, 9:30 ET. Yeah, I can see that, Elizabeth. Feel that, Jake. ES looking better than NQ today. See, ES is right below VWAP. It's hard for me to go long there. Oh, you're welcome. Made me some money as well. We're gonna have to start doing them more often. Yeah, I forgot about checking gold. I meant to. Dexter, I've been slacking on paying myself. I'm gonna pay myself this week from it. Used to I pay myself at least every 2 weeks. No, we're here. I'm just looking. I'm not in the trade right now. I'm watching the setup though. Well, this candle's not going to confirm anything for me.
Nice picture.
Just grab some liquidity there.
Where are you looking?
It's kind of back and forth at the moment, Greg. I'm not for sure. Just watching the price action here. ES is telling me something different. I kind of like starting to like shorts again on ES, but NQ. Wick down and grab some orders. I feel that, J. Quinn. Yes, appears to have a bull flag is trying to break out of on the 5 minute. Not enough confirmation for me to take a trade yet, though. Appreciate you all for being here. For those that are leaving the YouTube, I will be live again tomorrow. Still looking for a trade, though. No, I took ES off my screen. I don't really like it. Just gonna watch NQ now. See the blue, the line we're looking at, the blue line right here. This is a point of control. So I'm watching that. You can see we're holding it as of now to the upside. Could change quickly though. Yeah, for real. I haven't. Let me take a look. Oh, you talking about the 5-minute candle here? It is different, huh? Not seeing anything I like right now, Team Bull. Just being patient.
I mean, just waiting.
What's up, Eve? Chris, I'll have to take a look at that here in a bit. What is up with this volume? Try to light size the longs on NQ, everyone. Stops below 23,495. My entry. Entry was around 507. NQ longs, everyone. I said NQ. 507 was my entry. Stop loss is 23,495. Well, 507.5 was my entry. High day's first target. Feel free to manage your own trades, though. I don't manage trades for people. I just tell them what I do. That's the only setup I've seen today that I was really crazy about. The one I took with J-Done was decent, but some trickery today. Stop is right here, everyone. Now it looks bad. It's like it wants to go down. If we flush this, I will get out. 495 is my exact stop loss on NQ. Yeah, I took some longs, light size Eve. 507.5 is my average. I took longs at the close of this candle. Open to the other one. It's gonna hit my stop. Let's see. Still in as of now. Keeping my stop the same. If you're not comfortable in this trade, manage it as you see fit. I would like to see high day, then some. Come on, push up if you're going to, or stop us out. Get out of this area.
To have a lot of patience this weekend.
The candle we entered off of looking good for continuation to the upside. Then it's chopping around here.
Yeah, it looks good for the upside.
It's almost like it's FOMC and GDP this week with big earnings.
This looks like after hours. Most likely the move will come after 11:30.
It stopped me, everyone. I didn't want much risk on that trade. Kept it tight below that previous candle. Could it go make high day? Yeah, but I'm not gonna risk all my profits. See what I'm saying? £12 worth of risk. YouTube, that's it for me. One winner and one loser. What can we do with price action like this? Price action last week was horrible as well, but I expect Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday probably be the best trading days this week. Plenty of data. We didn't have much going on today. Peace, everyone. Appreciate y'all for joining, by the way. Means a lot.